Beef pizza recipe. 1 pre-made pizza dough, store-bought or homemade. 1/2 pound ground beef, 1/2 cup pizza sauce, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. 1/4 cup sliced red onions, 1/4 cup sliced bell peppers. Salt and pepper to taste. The optional toppings, sliced mushrooms, olives, or any other desired toppings. 1. Preheat your oven to the temperature recommended on the pizza dough packaging. 2. In a skillet, cook the ground beef over medium heat until brown. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Drain any excess fat. 3. Roll out the pizza dough on a flour surface to your desired thickness. 4. Transfer the rolled out dough to a greased baking sheet or pizza stone. 5. Spread the pizza sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. 6. Sprinkle half of the shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. 7. Spread the cooked ground beef evenly over the cheese. 8. Add the sliced red onions, bell peppers, and any other desired toppings. 9. Sprinkle the remaining shredded mozzarella cheese on top. 10. Place the pizza in the preheated oven and bake, according to the pizza dough instructions, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your homemade beef pizza.